Hi, I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and today we're going to make our fourth block for the Atlantis Block of the Month by Southwind Designs. So in my month 4 Seaflower block, I'm just getting prepped by clipping all of my pieces that are folded and sandwiched. Now on this month here, we've got this pretty orange color, and you might refer to it as yellow or gold or sunset, but we've tried to make this a little bit simpler. And in the pattern, you can use a colored pencil or a marker to kind of make it easier to see these colors and how they're going to get placed. So I'll take these seams and then we'll be ready for the next elements. So I've already pieced my triangle sections and I've pressed those out. These two are going to get sewn on top of each other, and now I'm just gluing on top those little segments that just get glued to create my next rectangle. These two are going to get sewn together along this seam here. Now with all my elements done, it's ready to put the block together. All my seams have been pressed open except for this one here, which is just pressed away from that extra bolt, and it just moves nicely down towards that part here. And then I've also completed this little part here, so I'm going to lay my block out and get that sewn together. So I have my blocks all laid out. This is how they're going to get sewn together. So I'm going to sew 4 units that look like this. I'll start with the top 2 and then the bottom 2 and then put those together to make a 4 patch to then be able to finish this block. Now that I have my 4 patches made and I've placed them according to the pattern, you can see here this kind of gets this cool like starburst effect, almost like a wreath. It's really, really awesome. So I'll just sew this block together and add my sashings, and then I'll be ready to make some of these turn into curvy pieces. Thank you for watching our video on the 4th block for the Atlantis block of the month. The Seaflower block is all finished. I've top stitched it all, and you can see all those really cool curves that happen with that technique.